Okay guys, this is how it looks today. It is so warm and beautiful in New York. It is just absolutely gorgeous. If I had to guess, it was about 80 degrees. I have the air conditioning on, but yeah, don't look at the green pool. We have to close that. But I just want to show you guys, it is fall here, but yet it's really not. It doesn't feel it. So Marianne and I are going to be, sorry, I'm cleaning off my patio table. Marianne and I are going to be doing a video tomorrow on what we've been up to. And I've decided to make a fall wreath. And I've been watching this Southern girl can, so I'm going to show you guys some of the stuff that she had suggested getting, and I'm going to try it myself. Okay guys, before I do that, I went to my mailbox and look at the beautifulness I received from Paula Vines. She is phenomenal. She's a very dear friend of mine, and I adore her, and she makes these beautiful, beautiful tags. And look at this. Look at this. This is just stunning. This is I'm putting this in the dining room, and I will show you guys how it will look. This is absolutely, look at the detail. Look at all of that, the lace, the gorgeousness. This is, Paula, thank you so much. This is just so simply beautiful and stunning, and you did not have to make me this, although I really am happy you did. This is gorgeous. So she is Paula Vines on YouTube, and I will also link below her Etsy shop because I've ordered beautiful cards for graduation, and they're just stunning. Yes, I have my little buddies here helping me out. Okay, so what I purchased was everything from the dollar store. I got I've never made one of these wire wreaths. You make them with the tooling, and also what's her name from Serenity Creations. Okay, she made one of these when she went to the Andy Garcia studio. So I thought I'd kind of do my own. So okay, so I have my mesh, my pipe cleaners. I call them pipe cleaners. I forgot what they're called, but cut them in half. I thought I'd use some of these ribbon, some of those ribbons, some flour. My dog is snorting in the background. All right. And I will see where this takes me. Also, I want to show you guys, I did some thrifting, and I picked up some Croft & Barrow bangle bracelets and some necklaces, and I'm going to be listing those in my Poshmark closet. And that's what I'm going to be doing today. So let me see where this takes me. I cut out all of my mesh, and I cut my pipe cleaners in half. I cut my ribbon. I cut these ribbons, and I put the bows on the ends, the bow cut. And now I'm going to start assembling. Don't ask me how much of anything, because I just eyeball, and that's why everything comes out cockeyed. All right, so I made, now I forgot. All I know is I have to put 4 on each. So I believe I have 24 combined. I have 12 of these with that kind of ribbon and 12 with those. So now I'm going to get started with putting the pipe cleaners around the inside, the 2 inside wires. Okay. So this is why you should never eyeball when you're crafting, because I have all this empty space. So now I have to go back to the dollar store and buy more mesh. So 24 of them only covered half, I don't know if you guys can see this, half the wreath. So I'll probably should have bought a smaller wreath, but I like it big because I'm going to put it on my front door. So, and I still have to puff it out, but I'm going to go buy probably 2 more spools, maybe 3, and more ribbon. Another thing I learned, not to cut the pipe cleaners because it was harder for me to wrap them around. The thing I like about this type of wreath is that it will be flush to the door. And then I'll add my flowers and my sign in the middle and tie it in. So this will look pretty once I get everything together. All right, to be continued.